Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Lamborghini Huracan Spyder step by step. Start by adjusting seat, mirrors, and steering wheel to your reach, and fasten the seatbelt before starting the engine. Familiarize yourself with paddle shifters, driving modes, and the parking brake. Keep hands low on the wheel and eyes focused down the road. Breathe, stay calm, and respect the car's power as you prepare to drive. Bring the car to a complete stop, hold the brake, and press the start button while systems boot. Release parking brake, select drive or manual via paddles, and gently release the brake to move. Practice smooth throttle to feel torque delivery, and use lower revs for parking maneuvers. Shift when engine feels responsive, and keep both hands ready for quick inputs if needed during spirited driving on open roads. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more driving tips. Quick recommendation. The product seen here is perfect for taking along on road trips, and it pairs nicely with a driving manual in the passenger seat. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it a casual tip from me to you. Now let's get back to the video. Brake early and in a straight line, then turn in smoothly while keeping eyes on the apex and exit. Use gentle throttle to balance the car as you unwind the steering and power through the corner. If available, select a sport mode for sharper throttle response, but remain controlled. Remember, weight transfer matters. Abrupt inputs will upset traction, so practice progressive braking, steering, and throttle to build confident cornering habits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.